it though. The obstacles were hot cold popsicle. Wait, I don't even write no more. Like, I don't even like no more. She don't even type no more. No, she ain't the type no more. Y'all just sound white some more. Y'all niggas say that I'm high with the kite. I complain I'ma fly. Don't even try. Questions, fuck the guessing room. She undressing like this the dressing room. I don't talk, this ain't nothing, confession room. Y'all niggas tripping, count my blessings too. And if it's iffy, make the message too. You didn't get the message, don't you text, no collecting too. You was talking to investigators, you probably in that room talking to detectives too. Hey, fuck it, wait, we ballin' like buckets. Tell them niggas I don't trust them. I had enough with trust issues. That bitch, she crying, let tears on me without no tissue. The fuck is your issue? I handle my shit and I see the visual. Y'all niggas can't read between the lines and y'all niggas keep taking shit literal. But this is not literature, you be dying in the living room. KB all on this shit. You don't even want this shit, say you don't smoke, but you smell the aroma, bitch. Put that cushion in the coma quick. I ain't tripping on nothing, I life of the hard knot. I know Jesus could save me, but I know if he could rock the pieces on my neck and now I keep looking for Jay-Z. Then this shit gets so crazy, hustle every day, do that for my baby. These niggas like a daisical, they lazy. Wanna trade places but couldn't replace me. You walk a day in my shoes, rally, take your brain out, put that shit on top of the floor. I was slipping and sliding in that bitch like she walked in and mopping the floor. Whoa, dripped out the floor, poke out like polka dots. Wait, pop out like polka dots. Bad bitches stop and go. She understand everything I do is to beat the obstacles. And this is for show. And y'all niggas fake it's for show. And wait till I take this shit back on the road. And you shouldn't know, I see the realest nigga in the mirror. I'm worth every visual, net worth a Panamera. And y'all niggas say it be back and forth, back to back. Look at the past when you pass the blunt action. My niggas on the double dashes, get that paper, I'ma stack it. Woo, and that's with the package, I play with this shit. Like I stay with this shit. And you be sleeping, probably lay on this shit. Don't never want riches. You just out chasing these bitches. I chase that macaroni and cheese and put it with chicken. Double deuces, everything in it triple. Like basketballs when they dribble. My niggas playing with these pistols. Official with no whistle, no ref. That was the best. This a conquest, no contest. I don't see competition, need no recognition. R. Kelly put my dick inside her ignition. Whoa, I didn't get no reply. Money long like it's a semi. What's the dilemma? Ain't got a demo, but that money stretching out like it's a limo. I remember when I wanted to own it, tell them niggas it's simple. I don't want the rental. You ain't never had no paper, had no credentials. And my niggas go, wait, the fuck she all up on the pole? Want me throw my dollar in a row. Clientele call in a row like a Christmas gift. I tie the bag in a bow. Whoa. Don't stop. Nigga like Big Shot, oh God, no way. Ain't no protege, you spent your re-up on no J, those J's. Wait, X-ray, see through these niggas, my vision is Blu-ray. Baby blue faces, I pull out the cash to see the faces that they all make. Damn, it's all great, remember minimum wage and still trapping in between. He off the lean, ain't got no industry, fuck the industry, nigga, the pyramid scheme. Fuck did you mean, you niggas say you never had stillness, you practice, you wait to just follow. I'm the nigga, got the shooters, I make one phone call, don't gotta move, they feel you will hollow. But go in your Prado, that Silverado, we just gonna go Moscato.
I don't believe in icons.
That nigga in this bitch trick.
I know that they're...
Look at the beat.